Today, we continue to hunt for rare earths in Greenland, and here to tell me all about it is Carl Popal, the Executive Chairman for Eclipse Metals. Carl, it is a pleasure to have you on. How are you?
Thank you. I'm well. Thanks for having me.
Now, news hot off the press is you've just completed 700 meters of diamond core drilling at the, let me check my pronunciation, the Grønnedal project over in Greenland. Can you take me through the key numbers so far?
Yeah, look, we're quite pleased to see the actual mineralisation, in particular carbonatite, is continuous at depth, and it strengthens our position in one of the most advanced rare earth one of the most advanced rare earth explorers in Greenland, and indeed in Europe. Overall, the 89 million tonnes initial JORC gives us more confidence that we can build on that. So that was the initial basis. The drilling program further confirms that we can build on that pending analytical results. So we're quite pleased with that.
So obviously these are promising results. What does this tell you about the area overall?
Well, it's a geological heaven. We sort of see there's the actual area is well understood academically. There's the carbonatite footprint is quite large. So far, we've only covered or captured about 6% of the total carbonatite footprint. And the mineralisation starts from 0 meters and is continuous. It's a pipe-like structure according to the geophysical assessment. So overall, we see the scale. The overall, it's a solid progress and clear growth trajectory. So that's in simple. I think that's where it positions the company in the actual project. From a geological perspective, it's well understood academically, not really commercially. And here we are, we're trying to prove that more from a commercial perspective.
Now, you say this is one of the most advanced rare earth projects in Greenland at the moment. So with the drilling completed for now, what's some of the upcoming news flow investors can look forward to hearing?
Yeah, we still have drilling at Ivatut, which is a separate prospect within the tenement package. So at the moment, the team's working on that, trying to complete that. So there'll be news flow on that. Subsequent, also, we're working on the metallurgical aspect of it. The laboratory is working on that. So we're hoping during this year, we'll have some metallurgical data that we could put out there to further strengthen the processing pathway of this particular mineralisation. So also we're progressing on NASDAQ. We're trying to we see this clearly a US-Europe play. Being in Greenland, it's a strategic project. And most importantly, infrastructure is there. It's a mineable resource. So the area has got 130 years of mining history. So within that area, the fjord's been utilised for that purpose previously. We have roads, we have power, we have basically all the infrastructure. And also it's got the potential for, from an ESG perspective, to be a hydropower facilities are there also that we could develop on.
It sounds like there are some absolute tailwinds here for this project. Carl, thank you so much for the update today, and I look forward to the next one.
Pleasure. Thank you for having me.